Hi everyone, this is Ieasha of Decor Designs by Ieasha, and welcome back to my channel. Well, today I wanted to come on here and just show you a beautiful backdrop that I have did. As you see, I have used the colors of blue, white, and yellow. All right. So this backdrop actually can be used for a wedding. It can be used for a graduation party. It can be used for any event. So I just wanted to bring you in a little closer as I show you the different backdrop panels that I have here. All right, I have this beautiful flowy type of backdrop curtain, and it is actually it's polyester, and it's more of a stretchy type of polyester. Then I have one here, which is a white one, and it's not a stiff polyester, but it's not as flowy or soft as this blue and yellow that I have here. All right, so pretty much I use these panels all the way across, as you see right here. And all I did was just add these, made like a swoop here that's on the left side, and I made one that goes over toward the right side. All right, so I thought this was absolutely gorgeous. I was just here practicing. I absolutely love backdrops. I love to make them. And I have just a, my pipe and drape stand goes from, on the sides is 10 feet tall, and across it goes from 8 feet to 10 feet. All right, this not adjustable up and down, it's just adjustable across. And I've talked to you all before about my backdrop stand here. I absolutely love it, but I do want one that's adjustable. But I tell anyone to work with what you have until your business make money for you to purchase what it is that you either need or that you want. All right, so I'm using what I have here. Now I did purchase the backdrop curtains, the backdrop panels. I purchased the blue and the yellow a couple of months ago for my daughter's graduation. I wanted to have something for her graduation colors. Her colors are blue and yellow. And I'm going to be linking the backdrops that I have done, as well as the balloons and some other event styling that I have done in the card section. So make sure you go and check it out. Now, this is style 1. I'm going to show you another style that I'm going to be doing. And I hope that you all like, comment, subscribe. I would love to have you part of the Decor Designs by Ieasha family. All right, so let's go ahead to the second style that I'm going to be showing you. But again, I want you to get a great look at this one. Leave me a comment and let me know which is your favorite. All right. All right, everyone, so this is style 2 that I have done. And as you see, everything is still the same, except I came here in the middle and just combined the yellow panel with the blue panel. And as you see, the pleats are amazing. And all I did was add the bling wrap here to the middle, the center of it, and just gathered all of the yellow and the blue panels here at the bottom, and just gathered it together, you know, to make it look really nice. All right, so this is the way style 2 looks. All right, everyone, so here is style 3 that I have done. And I know before I said I was going to do 2 styles, but actually I decided to do another one. And if you all been following me a while, then you know I like to use my own unique style, change things up a little bit. So that's what I did right here. As you see, I went ahead and combined 4 of these panels. I did the blue, yellow, and you see I pleated it, as you see there. And right here, I just came down and added these white feathers. If you all did not see the video where I did the feather centerpiece, I will be leaving that in the card section, so make sure you go and check it out. But I thought this was very unique and different. I like to be different, and You know, I think that we all should add our unique touch to our designs. You know, don't be like anyone else, be different, because that's what, you know, your clients want. They want something different. Clients and, you know, people don't want to see the same thing over and over. So I decided to add the feathers here just to give it that, give it a different feel, you know, a different look. All right. So any color feathers can go here. I just decided to add white since I have white, a white panel here and one on the other side. All right. So I absolutely love the designs that I have here. All right, another thing that I wanted to bring to you is that I am using just a single backdrop stand. I don't have a double one. So this just shows you that you can make a really great design with just one backdrop. This is just one, like I said before, it's not a double stand. It's just one pole across the top up there. So this just shows you that, you know, when you are determined to make what you have work, you can work with what you have. All right. So, yeah. So I just want you to see how I have made this work. I'm going to be linking my other backdrops that I've done in the card section so that you can go and check it out also. All right. All right. I hope that you all have enjoyed these 3 designs that I have brought to you. Don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And make sure you go and check out my website. I am an event designer, event decorator here in Alabama, Montgomery, Alabama. My website is www.eventdecoranddesignsbyieasha.com. Make sure you go and follow me on my other, on Instagram, Facebook, and Pinterest. All right, as well as subscribe here on YouTube. I would love to have you a part of the Event Decor and Designs by Ieasha family. All right, I hope that you all have an amazing day, and I will see you on my next video.